making another thing?
Yeah.
What are you going to make this time?
A big house.
Okay.
Like our house.
Like our house?
Yeah. What kind of toy do you like?
I like green.
Green? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It works.
Good.
My daddy likes green.
Can you make a person in the house?
I'm done too.
You're going to?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's you.
It is? Where's my face?
Face is right there.
Oh.
I have a new potion that you will love. There's your mouth.
Yay! I got a big mouth, huh?
And it's right there. And it's
Who's that? Huh?
So I can fly over right to you. And it seems like you're walking in the window.
No one?
It's the door to our basement.
Oh, okay.
You did there about it. You did there to it.
I'm scared of it.
Yeah, you did there on it on the picture. And it says, "Oh!" And you did.
And I was screaming?
Yeah.
It sure looks like I was screaming.
And there's Dad's knife.
Dad has a knife?
It's been raining.
Why does Dad have a knife?
Because he can two people with knives. And there's him with his. And he had his knife and we had to cut him.
Is he cutting me?
No, he's cutting the back. He cut the dairy down.
Oh, okay.
And now he's doing it.
You turned it down. Huh? You did?
Why?
I wish there's headphones to the Xbox.
And there's his mouth.
Okay.
There's our family.
There's our family. Let me see.
Nope, I forgot me.
Oh, okay.
Good head. There you go.
Okay.
What's the nose? There. Forgot everyone's nose. Forgot your nose.
There.
Forgot your nose. There. Forgot your nose.
Okay.
Good. I'm so happy. I'm happy you like these.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, what else do you want me to tell her?
I don't know.
Why?